Welcome back to Travel Be Free. In today's video I am going to take you with me on a trip to Kandy. The lake is absolutely incredible and I feel that this is one of the funniest videos that I have made because Kandy shocked me and also a bird shit in my mouth. So if anything, you want to watch for that moment because it was absolutely hilarious. I also take you to a cafe in Kandy and show you the space that I stayed in with family, and also the journey back from Kandy to Colombo, which is just absolutely magnificent and beautiful. So if you are ready, let's go. It is my first morning in Kandy. Look at all those plants! These buses are very noisy. I only booked the hotel that I stayed in last night for one night because I knew I wanted to have somewhere a little bit nicer but couldn't decide, so I just booked one quickly and it served its purpose, so I'm off to get some breakfast now. One thing I will say is it's so nice to be back in the mountains. When I was on the back of the moped yesterday coming up the hill, I could just see all the houses up in the mountains and I was just like, I love the mountains so much. I have just been to Banana and Chill and it is incredible. The guy there who runs it is epic, so friendly, moving his business from his heart, like did a whole little presentation of like what's on the menu. I just felt like I was at home immediately. So if you are in the Kandy area, check out Banana Chill. I'll put the link in below. The food is so good. He does vegan options. And yeah, he's just a beautiful soul, like such a beautiful brother. I've left my bag with him because I have no accommodation booked and I've just checked and I'm way over budget. So I'm going to go for a little walk, check out Kandy Lake and just clear my head a little to try and decide what I'm going to do in my life, because I was meant to go to India. Now I'm not going to India because of the visa, so I'm going to lose money for my flight, need to cancel it, and I also need to figure out what I'm doing. So it's all a bit chaotic in this head of mine, so a bit of nature to try and clear the way. Hi! Hi. So just walking up the road. Hi! And look! They're just on the side of the road, picking at some dinner. Some food that they found. Very cute. What have you guys got? I think it's curry. Very cute. Here's one of those crazy buses. Walking along the lake. Look at that fucker! Wow, that is humongous. He's just staring at me like, what do you want? Oh, he just went to stroke this one. And he's taken a full lay down. Oh, baby. Oh my god. I've never seen bats. Whoa. Can you even see this on the camera? What I'm seeing? Hundreds of bats. That wasn't a bat, by the way. Wow, look at them hanging upside down. Wow. These guys are big. Oh. Can you hear them? They are noisy and big. Wow. No, this is crazy. They're fighting up there. There's a bat fight. Wow. I actually can't believe my eyes. Whoa, look at it! This is what happens when you have a Westerner come to this side of the world. Wow. What is that? Nah, this is mad. I feel like you need some face visuals of like, there's bats. They are, oh, they are humongous. So in England, you have the occasional, when you're walking around at night, you think there's a bat and it's going to get caught in your hair because that's what your mum told you when you were younger. Here, they're fucking flying around in daylight and they are humongous. Wow, the wings. So I've been walking around this lake for like 15 minutes and I've seen some big ass water lizard thing with a big belly, another water lizard thing, a turtle, a little cute turtle, lovely dogs as always, some water animal birds, water birds. Oh, this is cute. Wow, there's like a nesting tree of all these little cute birds. Bats! And now these birds. Oh, look at them! Wow, what a lake! This is really cool. I love stuff like this. Don't take me to a tourist spot that everyone like. Kandy to Ella train. Just get me around a lake with nature, and I'm a happy girl. Let me show you these birds. There are so many little nests. You're probably not even going to be able to see this properly, but this is so cool. How cute are they? Wow. I mean, it's a shame that there's a main road here because it would be even more beautiful. Oh, look at that colour on his feet. It's green. You are very cute. I always think these look like old men. Just because of that little bit that's at the end there, I don't even know what it is. Part of a feather. I don't know. Just reminds me of when men get old and they have like that little bit of hair. Oh, hello. Oh. The most disgusting thing just happened. I was looking up at the bird and one of them shit and it went in my mouth. I wiped it and I was like, oh, it's bird shit. I thought it was a water drop. Oh, here I was, enjoying nature. And just like humans, they went and shit on me. In the mouth. Luckily, I'm not totally weirded out by stuff like that. I thought another one was gonna shit on me then. I was gonna dodge it. Just a bit of shit. Does it really matter? Not really. In the grand scheme of things, dead. Could be a lot worse. I am going to need to get some water though, so I'm going to stop the video now. So I'm back. I've washed out the shit from my mouth. Didn't taste very nice. As I'm walking around here, I'm just wondering, like, you know the Vogue looking girls? You know, your typical social media, very beautiful, pretty girls. What is that? What's in the name of? Huh? He's just casually chilling there, like, you right, love? Blah. Anyway, as I was saying, the Vogue looking girls. If this is what they have to deal with on a day-to-day basis, men objectifying them and constantly commenting at them, making them feel like an object, having people stare all the time. So glad that I am not one of those women. And it's crazy because I spent my whole life as a young female wanting to be prettier and slimmer, to get more attention. And now I'm that little bit older, the attention that I'm getting I don't want. So I'm kind of glad actually that as a child I didn't get that attention. Funny, isn't it, how we seek all that attention and we want something so bad, but actually when we get it, it's like, don't want it. Just making sure all that poo's out my mouth. Yeah, very interesting observation. This view is really cool. How beautiful is that? Very, very beautiful. Having their evening bath, look. Candy dance. So in this area, they're trying to sell the candy dance. I've been already. Very good. Yeah, thank you. England. I've been already. Thank you. It's tough work out here, you know? How beautiful is this? Look at that! Oh. This country has so many nice aspects, but I actually can't wait to be left alone. Look, the bird food on my shoulder. I've come to a local Sri Lankan restaurant and I've got a curry and I'm actually dying. My eyes are streaming, my nose is running. It is very, very spicy. Too spicy for the English girl. The dal's good though, so he's gone to get me some more dal. It was this one that killed me, this jackfruit. Oh. More dal. Thank you. Dying out here. Good morning. How nice is this view? So I've actually booked somewhere a bit cheaper. It's the first time I've booked somewhere this cheap. And it's absolutely incredible. The lady is so lovely. Her whole family live in this area. And yeah, it's just, the bed was super comfortable. The room is spacious. It's nice. It was like £7.50 a night. And in Sri Lanka, with mum, I've been paying $45. And this is just as good, if not even better. So big lesson learnt there. Also, the lady informed me that there is a beautiful roof deck on the top of the building, so I'm gonna take my mat and go and do a little bit of yoga. The hair is looking pretty wild. And then I'm gonna head to the Big Buddha, because when I arrived, it was the thing that like caught my eye immediately, and I just want to go meditate there. But I actually met someone yesterday, so I'm also gonna meet her there, and we're gonna meditate together. I can't speak. I did sleep a long time, but I couldn't sleep till very, very late. So let's go to the roof for yoga. So this is like the lounge area. How cool and beautiful is that? And that's the kitchen. I should have put my shoes on. Oh. Yay. The sounds of the birds this morning were absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at this. Ah, it is so sunny and hot. So this is where all her family live, she was telling me yesterday. I'm guessing that is some of them there. Wow. This is proper mountain vibes. Oh, I just love being in the mountains. There's something very, very special about it. There isn't much shade up here, so it's going to be a quick one, I think. I shall roll my mat out here. It has been rolled up for a long time. I haven't used it for over a week, so it's going to be so nice to just practice and get back on my mat to this view. Sorry? How? Celia has brought me to this amazing local market to check out all this local food. Oh wow. And we're gonna eat with our hands, right?
Yes.
Hi. I haven't eaten with my hands yet. No. This is so cool. So we are trying all sorts. Celia's got 10 million plates. I love it. You having a drink? Just walking down this main street in Kandy, it's like proper rammed and there's like sellers everywhere. This guy just came up to me and was like, "Hi, nice to meet you, nice to touch you." No, he didn't say nice to meet you. He said nice to touch you, and I think he was meant to say nice to meet you. It was a bit too much. So I exited immediately. Look how cute she is.
Go to the special market.
Oh, no thank you. Yeah. So this is just by the lake. and the lake's like super nice and peaceful, and then you come off of the lake and come down here and it's mental. Absolutely mental. It's not a bad mental though. It's a good mental. Very, very chaotic. People trying to sell everything. Literally everything, you name it. It is here. Man, and I gave him 100 rupee and he literally threw it down onto the lychee. I was like, you need to love money. And he was like, I like. Pretend that you don't when you do. They look nice, don't they? Eek. Let's turn it around.
Really want to know, so throw me a sign and show me you do. Because I hope in your heart we are apart, and you feel me. You know from the start that nothing's gonna break my love for you, baby. You can't keep me.
So I saw at the train station, the bus station is here. I wanted to show you the bus station so you can witness the carnage. I'm just gonna stop here for a few minutes.
You can't keep me far away for too long.
You watch, it's going to be really calm now. See some video. So what the bus drivers tend to do is they leave the bus station, but as they leave the bus station, they continue haggling and trying to get people on the bus. So people climb on the bus as the bus is moving, and then they also overtake each other. Try and get in front of each other so they can get the customers. This is looking very calm. I feel like they've disappointed me.
You can't keep
Too
me
calm.
far away.
It's not like Colombo. Colombo is manic.
You can't keep me far away for too long. You can't keep me far. You can't keep me far. Please don't keep me far away for too long. You can't keep me far. You can't keep me far. Please don't keep me far away
kitty. And I needed to go to the toilet, and he's like, go down the stairs and go down the other alley. And it's the third door. The white door. This is the toilet. I'm gonna turn the camera around to show you where it is. So this is the alley that I have come up. There was a padlock on the outside, so I took it off and took it in with me, just to avoid someone locking me in. There's a cute little cat here. Back to the cafe. Oh, if I'm honest, I am absolutely knackered. This travelling lark, it's tiring. It is very, very tiring. It is not a holiday for sure. I don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's all the moving around, but it's like, even when I'm like stable for a couple of days, like it's still a lot. And I think also moving through the streets and stuff, having to battle with the lovely Sri Lankans trying to sell you things. I think it's taking its toll on me. It's like 5 o'clock and I wanted to go to the Tooth Temple, but I think I'm actually going to go back to my accommodation and rest because I'm knackered. So I just tried these and they are absolutely delicious. Is it spicy? No spice? So I'm currently at this store and I thought I'd buy some things. Oh, he's giving me all sorts. Thank you. And I've just tried these. They're so good. I'm going to end up buying it all. Very sweet. Maybe that one's too sweet for me.
You know the type, you know the guy. As soon as you're close to erase all the lies, get him out your mind. That's when he finds you. Don't take it as a sign. You know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine. Like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow he finds you. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough words to make you think he deserves some of your time.
Today I am leaving Kandy and I am going back to Colombo to catch a flight tomorrow to go back to Thailand. I just want to show you the space that I'm staying in. This family have a couple of rooms that they rent out on Airbnb and it's just absolutely incredible. The guys are so nice here, like the whole family are just so beautiful. There's like a kitchen, there's a washing machine, and then there's this really nice outside area. I'm going to flip the camera around because I feel like if you're seeing my face you're not going to see it properly, but also look at the surroundings.
Everything I can't decide. It's hello, then goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he deserves some of your time. In my own mind. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if there was no. If it
I have a Sri Lankan family.
You want to speak?
No, I'm gonna try to learn. I'm gonna try. I never know, but I'm gonna try. So I have been thinking while I was here that I wanted to like meet a family, and I happened to meet this beautiful family, and they've made me some food, and I'm gonna try and eat with my hands. Thank you. Stupki, stupki, stupki. In Colombo, and I got a pick me, and we're just on the way to the hotel, and he's been stopped by the police. I don't know if you can see. Oh. Bless him. We're having a good old conversation. I was teaching him some English, and now he's been stopped. This is my last tinted driver. He likes bibbing. Time for me to leave Sri Lanka. I'm at the airport and I have no check-in bag, so it's really quick. I'm missing all these keys and I'm heading straight through. So something to be aware of in Sri Lanka airport is when you check in, you come through and then you head towards the gates, but there are more checks at the gates, so don't leave going to the gate to the last minute, because you still got to do stuff when you get there. So yeah, so go through, get your coffee, get your food, and then come towards the gate a little bit earlier than you would back home in England or in your other countries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out our other videos that are about Sri Lanka and also our other traveling videos. Please subscribe to the channel, comment and share, and I'll see you soon.